To initiate a wire transfer with JP Morgan Chase Bank, follow these step-by-step instructions. First, gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, account number, and routing number. For domestic wire transfers, you will need the recipient's name, account number, and the bank's routing number, also known as the American Bankers Association, or ABA, number. For international wire transfers, you will need the recipient's name, account number, the bank's SWIFT code, and the recipient bank's address. Next, determine the type of account you want to wire funds from, such as a checking or savings account. Then, decide on the method of wire transfer, either online, by phone, or in person at a bank branch. If you choose to initiate the wire transfer online, log into your JP Morgan Chase bank account, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section, and select Wire Transfer. Enter the recipient's information, the amount you want to transfer, and confirm the details. If you prefer to initiate the wire transfer by phone, contact JP Morgan Chase Bank's customer service department and provide the representative with the necessary information. To initiate a wire transfer in person, visit a local JP Morgan Chase Bank branch and provide the bank representative with the required information. When initiating a wire transfer, it is essential to verify the recipient's information to ensure the funds are transferred to the correct account. Additionally, be aware of the wire transfer fees associated with the transaction, as well as any daily transfer limits. Domestic wire transfers typically take 1 to 2 business days to complete, while international wire transfers may take several business days. To avoid any potential issues, it is recommended to initiate wire transfers during business hours and to use a secure internet connection when initiating online wire transfers. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully complete a wire transfer with JP Morgan Chase Bank.